Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI template which will be very useful for you to make literature review, especially those who are writing review paper, those who want to analyze your reference papers, bits and pieces. If you want to analyze all the important points in your reference papers, this AI tool will be very helpful for you. So this will give you a detailed literature review to you can chat with your reference paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss about different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how that ChatGPT will generate a better content for research paper using that research prompts. These are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you want to know more about MATLAB basics, here is an opportunity for you to learn more about MATLAB. So this is a live MATLAB workshop on comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss about basic syntax in MATLAB, 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and also we are going to explore different types of toolbox available in Simulink, especially neural network, fuzzy logic and ANFIS toolbox, and then we are going to make a live PID controller tuning. So to get desired output for your applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI template what we are going to discuss is that chat with paper. So in order to explore the template, go to LMS Research Support. So this is LMS Research Support AI templates, AI tools. So this leads to the website here, AI chatbot. So here you can see summarizer, paraphrasing, grammar corrector, literature review, detailed literature review, chat with PDF, chat with paper, reference to content, reference style converter, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, translator, chatbot, blog article. These are the different AI templates are available. So these are the AI templates especially designed for research paper writing. So for literature review alone, you will be having 5 different templates. So in this video, we are going to explore the template called chat with PDF. So chat with paper. Just click on this chat with paper option. So this is the dashboard of this chat with paper. So here you can see, please add paper text. So you can submit the text of the paper and then you can ask questions to that particular content you have uploaded. So in order to do so, I am going to choose a random reference paper. So this is the random paper I am going to choose. So dual active bridge and matrix converter based 3-port converter topology for good interactive PV battery system. So this is the paper I am going to choose. So in this paper, so this is the abstract section, introduction and configuration, topology. So after that you can see the explanation about dual active converters, matrix converters, and then you can see the modulation and control simulation results. So this is how the paper is categorized. So in order to explore this template, you must download your reference papers. So thereby you can copy and paste the content here. So in order to explore the first one, so I am going to copy the abstract of the paper. So here copy the abstract. So and then click submit text of the paper. So and then you can ask any questions you want related with the abstract. So I am going to ask, summarize the key findings from the abstract, or you can ask summarize the key findings from the abstract in 3 points. So like that you can ask anything you want. So the important thing in analyzing abstract is that it will give a crisp value of the particular paper. So that is very important. So here you can see the you can get a better idea when compared with that abstract. So here you can see the integration of battery storage with solar PV can address issues related to intermittency and voltage problems, making it as a technically attractive solution. From an economic perspective, adding a battery to the home solar system allows consumers to shift their PV generation to meet their household loads, potentially reducing reliance on grid. So the development of isolated bidirectional single phase 3/4 based on dual reactive bridge and a matrix converter enables efficient power conversion between distributed PV generation, battery charging and load. So like that, the important things where the paper focuses will be generated using this abstract. So after that you can refresh the page, go again to that same paper again. So in this section I am going to copy this literature review of the paper. So the first the introduction part of the paper. So go to that template again. So in the introduction part, probably many of the paper will contain only literature review. So just copy and paste the literature review and then click submit text of the paper. So from the literature review, what you can do is, so you can ask from the above literature review, explain the problem statement and research gap in this paper, and also make research objectives from the above. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So after that you can click on ask questions. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So let us see how it will works out. So whenever you are struggling to read your paper or struggling to write your paper while analyzing a reference paper, so if you are struggling to read or if you feel that some of the points are not understandable, so you can use this template. This template will give you a better solution. So here you can see the problem statement in this paper is that the renewable energy sources such as solar, PV, wind are variable and intermittent that depends only on environmental factors. To address this issue, a battery energy beneficial is renewable energy to provide reliable power supply. However, the conventional approach of use of multiple two-port converter to integrate BESS that is results in lower efficiency and higher cost and lower power density. So this is the problem statement associated with that particular literature review. So after that you can see the research gap. The research gap in this paper is a lack of suitable converter topology that can efficiently integrate BESS, solar, PV, load, grid while addressing the limitations of the conventional approach, while several types of non-isolated, so like that party have been used in this. So like that it is generated the research gap associated with the particular paper. And then you can see the research objective of the paper is to propose a fully isolated TPC topology that can effectively integrate the BESS, solar, PV, load while providing bidirectional AC power flow capability and addressing the port voltage matching problem. So like that you can get the problem statement, research gap and also research objective of that particular paper. So this is how you have to analyze your reference paper very better. So next you can see the next section will be the configuration and operation of a grid interactive PVC. So sorry, TPC. So here you can see these are some of the analysis. So analysis made, and then you can see this is the modulation and control. So modulation and control of the converter. So here you can see, so this is the modulation and control. So I am going to copy that modulation and control. So after that refresh the particular template again. So in this modulation and control, what is the possible questions can be asked is that you can ask for the explanation for the modulation, or what are the other set of modulation can be used for this same 3-port converter. So like that you can ask any questions. So I am going to copy the modulation. So give submit text of the paper and then use ask summarize the modulation and explain what are the other modulation techniques can be used in the paper. So like that you can give ask questions. So the only important thing in this template is that you can give a perfect questions, thereby it will answer correctly. So here you can see the answer will be generated. The paper proposes a modulation technique called IBSP-TPC, which uses square wave gate signals with 50% duty cycle for all switches. These signals are applied to the cross connected switch pairs and 3 ports, like that it will generate the content. So here you can see the power flows between 3 ports are observed by shifting converter phase shift angle. The variable delay approach can be that is generate modulated using switches and phase errors. So here you can see, to address the steady state and physical that is phase errors, a proportional resonant type controller is used. Additionally, a feed forward control loop to be implemented for DC offset correction. So we have asked for the suggestion. So I have given suggestion. So this kind of controller can be implemented in the same paper. So even you can take it as your research objective. You can modify this paper according to a new controller, and you can make it as a paper also. So next thing is that go to the paper again. So the last section of the paper will be the conclusion. So if you want the result analysis, you can copy and paste the result analysis, and you can analyze the paper even better also. So copy the conclusion. So here you can paste the conclusion again. So refresh the page. So what are the possible questions can be asked in the conclusion is, you can ask for future scope of the paper. So and also what you can do is you can what are the further developments can be made with this paper. So like that you can ask. So here I am going to copy and paste the conclusion. So give submit text of the paper and ask what are the future developments can be made to improve this work. So I am going to ask a question like this: what are the future developments can be made to improve this work? So after that ask question. So it will analyze the conclusion, and then it will give what are the possible and further developments can be made with that particular paper. So here you can see advanced control strategies, independent power flow, so switching level analysis, integration of energy management algorithms, experimental validation, cost analysis and optimization. So like that you can take any one of the points as your research objective, and you can work on that particular research objective also. It will be a novel approach for you also in this particular topology. So like that you can make use of this option, this chat with paper, to analyze your reference paper very easily for your literature review, and then you can get a clear idea. Whenever you are analyzing your reference paper like this, you will get a clear idea what you are working for, and you can even get new innovative ideas where you can improvise your research objective also. So make use of this option with this chat with PDF, chat with paper, and make your research objective a unique one, so using AI technology.